Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you are watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, as you all know, this is a kind of our announcement video because from today onwards, I'm going to start very fresh series. Right, and based on our previous track record, we always start the or explore security product, but this time I got very strange request from lots of members. Normally the votes which I consider for the starting the new membership, that is from the pro and VIP members, and almost 55 to 60 people have rated to start with the Microsoft Office series. And because I recently had meeting also with all of the pro and VIP member, and they have said that because they already got lots of technical knowledge, but the fact is when they actually work in the Office network, okay, the major thing is after becoming a senior person, how exactly the data can be projected, right? So they are lacking the skills with Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Office, Outlook. So there are so many things. So that is what basically I'm going to cover in this entire series, and I'm damn sure guys the content or the knowledge which I'm going to provide you in this particular series, that nobody can beat, okay? Because you normally go to the online, any of the online website, so they are charging 4,000, 5,000, 1,000, 2,000, but for the content is very less, okay? But if any new person is going to start, then things are not clear, okay? They require at least 20-30% of knowledge to get started. But in our series, we are going to start from very scratch. So if you don't know what is Excel is, then that is also we are going to sort out in this particular series. And in this particular, because data is so much guys, the contents are so much, and I have to compress everything and present to you, so that within a very less time we will be able to cover this series. So what exactly we are going to do? So in Microsoft Office we have a couple of different tools, but very first thing I'm going to start with, that is Microsoft Excel. Okay, so what is Excel? What are the options available inside the Excel? What are the formulas available? So if you just guys normally I seen people majorly use sum, minus, as well as VLOOKUP. These are the 2-3 formula people are using in their day-to-day life or work. But guys, just trust me, there are almost 500 plus formulas available, which you guys never think. But if you learn everything, then that will make your life very simple. You might know some of those formulas, but if you just watch all those things, right, then you will get to know in your day-to-day work what are the things you are basically missing, okay? And the things which you are missing, you can make use of those things and then prepare the whatever data you are already been preparing, and make it presentable way to your management, so that everyone will appreciate you. And once this entire series is complete, then I'm going to create some of the template, because as I used to travel a lot, as well as I do lots of things, but to manage everything, normally people are using third-party software to calculate everything. But I will also let you know what are the templates I'm using to track my all expenses, all my spendings. So there are so many templates are available. I would say just 5 to 10 templates I'm going to present in this entire series, and I'm pretty sure you all guys are really interested in watching those things. All through templates will be available to VIP members, but yeah, I'll try to make those available for all the publics, okay, so that they can utilize those templates in their day-to-day life. And I'm pretty sure that all you guys will be really interested. And guys, as I said, once I'm done with this particular Excel series, then I'm again going to raise the poll, okay? So if you are also want me to create a series on any specific topic, then what you can do, you can simply become pro as well as VIP member, so that in next particular poll you will be able to participate, so that whatever the options you are getting, you will be able to vote on those particular topic, or else you can write down your interested poll, and if I get more comment on that particular section, then as I said, I will be creating another dedicated series on your topic, irrespective of what I mentioned in the poll, because what I need is your majority of the response. So just for your information, on this particular Microsoft Office, I got almost 60% of vote, and for the CrowdStrike XDR, okay, because so many people are requesting for the CrowdStrike XDR, but there I only got the 52% vote. So even I guess 10 to 11 people more voted for the CrowdStrike HDR, then I would have created the CrowdStrike HDR series. But at the end, which as I promised, whichever wins the poll within a timeline, I'm going to create series on that. So Microsoft Office is a winner this time, and we're going to explore entire Microsoft Excel in this particular series. And another thing, guys, so many people are trying to call me over the WhatsApp since I have given my number. So just understand, I won't be able to pick up your call as an always. Okay, sometime I do pick the calls and talk with engineers, but the issue is I may be traveling, I may be doing some work. So in short, I might be busy in some other activities. Okay, and I'm I'm in India, so the country from where you are calling, there could be chances that I'm maybe in, it's a midnight. So that's the every time I won't be able to pick the call. But for all the technical queries, I'm scheduling live session, okay, every month. So whatever the queries you have, you can join that session and directly ask me, and I'll provide you the answer. Additionally, there are VIP membership, right? So when people join VIP membership, then what I usually do, I directly, whenever they ask me, sir, I need your technical help, I would like to set up one-on-one session with you. So at that time, I do schedule a remote session with them on Saturday and Sunday, and we do, discuss about the, ongoing challenges, what exactly they are facing, and I try to support them. So if you are already VIP member, okay, and want to discuss with me, you can just DM me on the Telegram or on WhatsApp, or as well as you can also send email to me, and I'll try to help with your query, so that we can have a proper discussion and all your queries will be addressed. So hope, guys, all the information provided will definitely help you, and I'm pretty sure that you all guys are excited for the new series. So that's it, guys. This is what the announcement which I wanted to make in this particular video, that we are going to start new series, and so many of you are watching my videos on regularly basis, and so many people are just desperately waiting to the new video, when the new video will get published. So every week I usually publish 2 videos, and since you already know the context of this video, that what exactly you are going to expect from me in next 2-3 months, because our Excel say this particular series will be running in those particular time. And guys, to make sure that you get notification of all the videos, so what you have to do is, I hope that you all guys have already been subscribed. The only thing is enable the bell icon. So when you subscribe, there's you will get see the bell icon notification there, right? So simply click on that and make it just select all. So whenever I'll upload new video, you guys will receive the notification, so that you won't miss my future video updates. So I guess this is the pretty much information which I have shared in this particular video about our next plan, and that's it, guys. So let's end this video here, and I'll catch you in next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.